All right. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for a great and awesome day. Let's give a last round of applause for all of our presenters who worked today. Just some kind of logistical closeouts here. Firstly, just a reminder, post what you've created today on LinkedIn, tag Cesium DevCon, and then we're going to give away 3 Cesium Ion Premium accounts. Also, with this QR code here will follow you to a survey to share your feedback to Cesium as the platform itself. So if you have any ideas, things you wish we did or had or supported, please submit that information there. That'll be really helpful for us and potentially get the feature that you'd like. Also, I'd like to say that for the next 2 days, as the DevCon kicks off, we have a new room called the Ionosphere. So if you have any questions that you felt were unanswered, or you want more time to spend with the teams themselves, come on by. It's, as you are at the registration desk, it's far on the far end of the hallway by the big screen where there's going to be a video playing. So you can check it out there. Also, I'd like to say that for anyone who has not registered yet or picked up their badge, please go do so either early tomorrow or right after the conference right now. That'll be great. That way you can get your badge. And lastly, tonight is the welcome reception from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. on the 33rd floor. So come on by. It'll be fun. I think there's booze. All right. Thanks, everyone.